Hey guys, this week my new lathe came in, so we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Stick around. Hey guys, like I said before, my new lathe just came in, which I'm super excited about, of course. So we're going to be doing the very first unboxing video that I've ever done here. And we're going to be showing all the features of it and the reasons I bought it, pretty much. We're going to be going over it a little bit. I've only owned, this is just my second lathe that I've owned, so I don't know everything about it or what you're going to be looking for exactly, but hopefully this will help you out. So let's go ahead and get started with that here in just a second. But if you like videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down in the comment section below. Alright, let's go ahead and get started, guys.
Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. This is the first unboxing video I've ever done, but I figured this is a big purchase, so it would be a cool video to try it on. We're going to be unboxing my new lathe. It's a Jet 1221 VS wood lathe. So let's go ahead and get started now.
Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, we have our user manual. Got our tool wrists. A couple tools that go with it. Alright, let's see if I can lift this out of here now. Alright, now that we have it set up on the bench, let's go ahead and get this plastic off. Alright, it looks like our faceplate is already attached to it. We have our small tool rest already attached here. We also have our large tool rest. It was wrapped in bubble wrap. I already took that apart. You got our knockout bar here, and we have our wrench for it. That goes here in this tool holder, just like this. On the other end, there's an access door here to your motor, and it does kind of block that, so it's not the best setup, of course. It also came with another tool holder here that goes on this side. So we can attach that and move those tools over to here so you still have access to your door. Now to remove your faceplate, it has two set screws here, one on each side here, and it's a 3mm Allen wrench. So we'll go ahead and loosen those up now and take that off. But the reason it has these set screws is because this lathe also runs in reverse. If it didn't have the set screws, or if you forget to put them on there and you accidentally hit it in reverse, it's going to fling your faceplate off of here, and that will obviously be bad. Alright, inside this compartment here, it has our three basic gears. Now this is a variable speed lathe, so you can control it using a knob, and it's actually electronic, so you know exactly what you're running. But it has three basic gears here, a low, medium, and a high. Your low is between 60 and 900 RPMs, your medium is between 110 and 1800, and your high is between 220 and 3600 RPMs. And you adjust that by moving this belt here. There's a lever down here on the bottom, I'll show you here in just a minute, and you use that to lift up the motor, which loosens your belt, and then you can move it over. Also inside of here you have your indexing, and I don't know if you can see that here. I'll try and zoom in on this. As you can see, these numbers right here, it goes between 1 and 24 all the way around here. So that means you have 24 different places of indexing here, which means basically if you're making a bowl or something, you can set it on, if you want to put some kind of carving or something in it, you push that in and you can screw it in, and then you can mark your mark or do whatever you want to do, and then you can move to your next one, however many spaces you want to skip, and that way you keep everything nice and even, and everything looks really symmetrical and nice.
All right, now this is underneath the lathe here, and these are your two knobs I was talking about that help you to adjust your belt. The first thing you'll have to do is pull this, and then you lift up, and that loosens your belt. Then you move it over to whatever gear you want it to go in, and you just push it down, and you'll hear it snap, just like that. And that's when you know it's nice and tight. All right, and this is your other access door to get to your motor here. So if you're wanting to change your gears, you'll pull that knob like I showed you a while ago, you'll loosen that up, and then we'll go over to medium. So we'll move this here, and then we'll move it up on the top as well. And once you have it in place, tighten it back up, close your door back. Here on the tailstock, whenever you start moving this out here, it actually gives you measurements so you know how deep you're drilling if you're using a drill bit on here and trying to bore a hole out. It's in metric and in standard here, so you can read it either way. I don't know how well you can see them numbers there. There you go. So it's set up in metric and in standard, so that way you know exactly how deep you're drilling. That's really handy right there. All right, I'm going to turn this on. We're going to pull this button right here, and I've got it in forward right now. You'll see that it says FO something. It's supposed to say FOR, I guess, as in forward. Here's how you adjust your speed. You'll see the plus sign here gets bigger, so you move it towards the plus sign. And just the opposite to slow it down, of course. Go towards the minus sign here. And then we'll turn it off. And then we can put it in reverse by pulling up. And you'll turn it on. And you'll notice that it doesn't say forward. It says FEU. But I don't know. But either way, it doesn't say forward, so you'll know. And you can also adjust the speeds on that as well.
Hey guys, well that concludes this week's video. Now that's the lathe that I chose. If you've been doing some research on your own, hopefully this helped you out, showing you everything that came in the box and all the features about it and all that kind of stuff. I know when I was doing research, these types of videos helped me out, so I wanted to make sure I made one to help you guys out if you're looking for a new lathe. Now if you've been looking and you found a better lathe within less than $1,000, go ahead and tell us which one that you picked down in the comment section below and why you chose that one. So that way maybe we can help out some other people that are in the market for a lathe and only have less than $1,000 to spend. This one here didn't go over $1,000, and I think, in my opinion, it's definitely the best lathe that you can get at this point in time. Now that's when I made this video, and that's my opinion. So like I said, we all have differing opinions, and maybe different features made you want to get a different lathe. So if you would, just go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below telling us what lathe you chose, why you chose that, or whatever your opinion may be, so that way we can help out some other people. Anyway, if you enjoyed this week's video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects to you guys. Alright, we'll see you next week.